Hi, my name is Srihari Ashok Rao Kadade. So, this is quick introduction about myself. So, for today, we will see how child to parent communication happens in Lightning Web Component. So, we have seen how parent to child communication happens. There, we use @API decorator to pass our value from parent to child. But here, to pass value from child to parent component, we need to use custom event. So we will see how we can pass our data from child component to parent component using custom event. So let's jump over Visual Studio Code directly, and we will see how we can pass. So this is child component and parent component I have created previously. You can just check out my previous videos. You will get idea from there. So this is meta XML file. I have make these components expose equals to true, and I have also published its target over a lightning app page and record page. So I'll remove this meta.xml file as of now. So in child HTML, we will create one. We'll use a lightning card. We'll set the title name as a child child component. And here we'll take to identify this is child side. So we are going to pass our value from child. So what I'll do for better understanding, I will take here one lightning lightning input Salesforce library, and in that I will give that lightning box as a title, enter value. Again, I'll take one attribute as name value to store value in it. I'll take one on change attribute. Give it name as handle change. We'll close it. So we will take one button, and on click of that button we will call this property handle click. I'll close this button over here. I will save, and this value I will just mention over here. I'll hit save. So we will store value in that. So I will take this property JS file to pass the value from input parameter to the value we used to write it as this dot value equals to event dot target dot value. Okay, so then after we will take handle click. So on click on click we have to send message from child component to parent component. For that we need to use here custom event. So how that syntax is, I'll write it here. I have to take constant custom event. It is a new custom event. We write here as a send data. Then we'll take curly braces detail. Then in detail we pass value. Close here. So we need to dispatch this message from child to parent. So we'll use dispatch event, and in that event we will copy this custom event and I will paste over here and I will close this. I will hit save. So till here we have created our child component. So what I'll do, I'll just add one div over here to understand us properly. SLDS here, so that we will able to see how okay, I will deploy our child key component first. So after this we will jump over parent B component. Here I will add one like any card. We'll add one attribute title and we'll give name as parent component. We'll hit enter. So here I will call child component inside parent component. How we write it as C hyphen child hyphen A, and while we call child custom event, we used to copy this send data and write over append on before that and paste it. And here I'll define one property get data and we'll close. We'll save this. To identify what value is passed from child component, I'll write saved value from child. I'll again create one property here, get val. Okay, I'll save it here, and I will give one div here, SLDS, and so this is nothing but the SLDS. You can use libraries that are given by Salesforce. You just need to implement that. So here I have made here I have introduced margin around this text. So we will see now what we will do. We will copy this get data and we'll paste it over here. So whatever the value we have got from child component, we will pass that value to this get val property. So I will just mention that over here, and to pass value inside that get val, we need to write it as this dot get val equals to int dot detail. Here we need to keep uh, mind that here we are using this dot detail as we are using custom event. We are sending this property value from detail, so here we will get this from detail. So I will just deploy this both of the components, and here I'll refresh once again. This is my app page. In that app page I'll just deploy my component which I have recently made. So this is parent B. We'll hit save. I have saved it. So okay, so yes, we have created child parent component. So okay, I want to check. We are not able to see our button properly. So what is the issue? Okay, we have not passed body. Pass data. This will be the label over that button. I will again deploy this source to org so that we will be able to see properly. So now we can try. So this is values and from child to parent, and we'll hit pass data. So see here we can see the data from child component is passed into parent component. So this is nothing but child to parent component. We have successfully implemented child to parent communication. So yeah, this was about child to parent. So if you have any doubts, you let me know. I'm happy to help you on that. Thank you for watching. Thank you.